This is a good opening play to Allen Robinson on the opening drive of the game. The Lions will be in a zone defense, as you'll see Darnell Mooney jet across. The Lions just bump. Robinson's going to run a slant, and Anthony Miller's going to run a deep out and kind of hold the safety here. See Mooney get going. We'll slow it down. Only a two-man route, easy for Mitch to process. They run zone to this direction. Good pass block, and A-Rob is wide open. Probably could have been hitting the numbers a little better, but, standard Mitch. Check out the tight shot for this. Like I said, the Lions are in zone. Looks like it's going to be cover 3. These backers get sucked in with good zone blocking. Komet's going to come back and seal the backside. You see that pretty common in the NFL. Kind of stealing off the Rams and Niners here. So those linebackers get dragged right in, and this weak side backer actually has Mooney out in the flat, but he gets sucked into the play action, which is going to leave a giant gaping hole behind him right down here for Mitch Robinson. Again, as we're saying, hitting the guy in stride can get him some extra yards, not throwing it 3 yards in front of him, so great catch by Robinson. There you go.